Hello, and welcome to Nourishing Connections, a program of togetherness. Today, we are making sausage, green bean, and potato casserole. Begin by gathering your ingredients. Gather 1 pound of russet potatoes, peeled, cut into cubes. You may leave the potato skin on for added fiber. Include 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 pack of kielbasa sausage, sliced, 1 pound of green beans, fresh or canned. Once you have gathered and prepared your ingredients, move on to the instructions. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel and cube the potatoes and slice the kielbasa. Place the potatoes on a baking dish. In a bowl, mix olive oil, garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix the resulting sauce with the potatoes and spread on the baking dish before adding the sausage. Bake for 20 minutes. Remove from the oven and then add the green beans, mixing thoroughly. Return the dish to the oven and bake for 30 minutes more. This dish serves 6 people. It has 947 calories, 7 grams of carbohydrates, 80 grams of fat, 43 grams of protein, approximately 1,500 milligrams of sodium, and approximately 1 gram of sugar, and values are estimated.